Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about my best rail fanning spots and that I'd like to share with you. First off, we start with Clay Street. This spot is really good. I like it because it overlooks the train station, the old train station that's in Pawtucket. This spot is good if you like infrastructure that's abandoned, and it gives you a really scenic shot. So here's a quick example right here. The clip you just saw is the other side of the train station. The first clip was what I showed you. But collectively, those two spots, they're 9.6 out of 10. Really good. Next spot we go to is in Mansfield. This spot is great because there's no fencing and all the scenery where you can get a good shot of trains and without the disturbance of fencing, and the abandoned tracks just add a little touch to it, just some personality. Here's an example from B-Tracks 19, shout out to him. Alright, so overall, that spot, I think I'd rate it a 8.9 out of 10. Yeah, it's a great spot. Next is Warwick, Rhode Island, 349 Arnold's Neck Road Drive. This spot is exceptional, alright? This spot is like the best in Rhode Island. It has a great bridge, very rich history, and if you want these kind of shots, this is your go-to place. Here's an example. Alright, so overall, I rate that a 9.9 out of 10. Just not perfect because in the summer there's a lot of shrubs and overgrown stuff. But now we go a little south and we got this place. It's behind a Granger, and it's a great spot because it's open and there's not a lot of trees. So here's an example. Yeah, and so I rate that spot an 8.2. It's not anything perfect. You can find it in other places, but next is pretty good. This spot is behind I think it's called Breton something, but you can find it. You can see from the other side. And this spot is exceptionally great because it's elevated, and yeah, here's an example. Yeah, so that spot, I love that spot. It's one of my best. So I gotta rate it like a 10 out of 10. That's the best spot possible. Alright, next spot. This spot is in Warwick, again, near Napa Auto Parts, Warwick. And yeah, it's a really good spot. A spur track that's, of course, not in use. And yeah, here's an example. Yeah, so if you're looking for a scenic spot, that is a really good place for you. I rate that spot in 9.4 out of 10. Really good. Alright, this brings us to Kingston, Rhode Island. 230 Dry Bridge Road is a good spot. Nothing too special about it, but it's really good because they go fast. Here's an example. Alright, yeah, so that one is okay. It's 7.9 out of 10 because it just gets overgrown in the summer. Yeah. And that concludes our video, guys. Thank you for watching. If this gets 20 likes, I'll do a part 2. Probably won't, though. But if you like the video, please like and maybe subscribe. It really helps out. And I'll see you guys in another video.